the energy will flip back onto this manipulator. This is a master manipulator. This person thinks that they are more intelligent than anyone else in the room. And this is a person that is carrying the spirit of a Jezebel. You know, this is an energy that likes to come between relationships, come between marriages. You know, they like to cause drama, chaos and conflict in organizations, in workplaces, and spirit is putting a stop to it. You know, spirit is saying that your connection is protected. This individual has their mind set on your peering for this moment. You know, they don't think twice about breaking up families or stealing people's spouses. It makes them feel attractive. It makes them feel like they're wanted. They're better than the other person. They're better than the other spouse. But they're being rejected. You know, whoever they are trying to entice, your person, or if they have set their sights on another person, because for some of you, this could be an energy that did actually affect your relationship and you wanted to know what has happened since. They are being rejected. But with them being rejected by suitors that they want to steal from their partners, they're becoming even more aggressive now. You know, it's really triggering their insecurities, and they are insecure, hence why they target relationships in the first place. They are baffled as to why people are not offering them their cup of love. You know, they're thinking all the sweet talk and manipulation and charm that I usually, you know, use to get people to open up with me, it's not working. They're absolutely shocked that their charm is wearing off. It's like people are awakening now. People can see through the facade of this individual. Maybe in the past people were taken by, oh, this person's innocent, this, that, and the other, but people are starting to see, hold on a minute, there's something a little bit unstable about this person. Something that I didn't see before, I'm starting to witness, or I feel weird around them. Or they always want to be around me. And this person is clinging on to being validated. Like, people are literally closing the door, like energetically, physically. People are shutting this person out, and they feel like they can't grasp what they want. What they really want is power. You know, for some of you, they want to marry rich, and they think that their blueprint to get what they want by any means necessary is going to work, and it's not working. The more they try and destroy relationships, the more further they will not be able to grasp their actual Ace of Pentacles. You know, their foundations will be rocky. They won't meet their future spouse because of what they're doing. And they're waiting to see if their plan has worked, because they're trying to trigger you. They're trying to affect your confidence, because this is the type of person, you know, they don't really like women. You know, if I'm picking up a female energy, they don't like females, right? And they try to attack females that they are intrigued by, inspired by, but intimidated by. So they feel, if I can take their person away from them, then that means that I've humbled them. I want to make them feel less than. Who do they think they are? They got so much confidence. So this could be a person that's jealous of you, right? I'm going to show them who the real king or queen is. If it's a man, it could be a man as well that tries to ease up on your person. And it boils down to jealousy. They want to get that same love, that same attention. They want to have that same connection with whoever. They're searching for love, basically. And they feel like if they snatch a person away from their partner, that person's going to give them that same love. But it doesn't work like that, because when you connect with different people, you create a certain synastry. You know, everyone has different synastry aspects. They could try and steal your person, or they've stolen people's partners before, or had their way, or in whichever way, but it may not have worked because we've got the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse. Maybe their Saturn was clashing with the person's sun. So that means that, you know, they're showing up as a blockage to whoever they stole in the past. And they thought they were going to get the same outcome like the connection that they were threatened and jealous of. You know, Saturn is the planet that restricts and binds. So they thought, yeah, that person's going to marry me because they're romantic, they're traditional, only to find that whoever they done whatever they did with, the person didn't even want to sleep with them because there was a Saturnian energy that was blocking that person from even wanting to give in. Which left them feeling baffled and confused. And Spirit is saying this person ain't going nowhere with this plan. They need to find the love within self and leave people relationship alone. This person's going through some type of dark night of the soul, some type of depression, and whatever depression they go through, they try and remove themselves from the thoughts and feelings of it, and they aggressively try and seek to fill that void outwardly, and it's with other people's relationship. They're lacking options. It's like their energy repels people. They may have been dumped for some of you, and people are holding themselves back. People don't want to invite this person into their energy, or it could be your person. You know, there may have been a lack of boundaries in the past, or if they are communicating with someone or your person is being very sharp, very, you know, no nonsense, quite cutthroat, or they're not being inviting. And this is how this person gets in to other people's energy, by manipulation, aggressively calling, aggressively, you know, being around them, hanging out with them, to use the manipulation to trigger fear into others. The Spirit's saying they are going to be blocked. They are going to be blocked, and they are going to be blocked. Their worst fear is to be single, and they will remain single, is what Spirit is saying. They will leave you and your person alone, because what they actually want is the King of Pentacles type. That's why they target people's husbands and break up families. And Spirit is saying that your family is protected.